everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this episode, I would like to talk about some funny scripts to try on Linux. Yes, it's very funny and it's not commands anymore, it's script. But first, I want to say thank you to all of my audience, viewers, especially young fellows, Linux creator, uh, and young fellow Linux learner who's usually commented on my video, and it is very promoted for me, and it's made me have more motivation to create more videos about Linux. Thank you to all of you, and thank you to follow my channel. I'm very grateful from the bottom of my heart. Okay, let's get started to the main point. Okay, in this episode, I want to show you how to create live terminal clock with while loop. But first, I want to introduce you to while loop. We have simple while loop, which if you programmer, just you should know about while loop. But I want to talk about while loop for a little bit. So I will come to directory 3, and in directory 3 we have while.shells we can see here. So let's jump to while.shells. It's a batch files. This is a simple while loop, and we can see here we pass the count value to 1, and then we can see while command, and in this command we can see the condition here. The conditions will tell if the count value is lesser than 5, then we can equals and the count is from and the count values, and then after each loop the count value will increase by 1, and we can see here this is a simple loop, and after we exit we can see we can run the chef. We see the count is from 1 to 5, and what about the infinite loop? We trim to nanos infinite dot shells. We can see here in this episode I want to create a live terminal clock with while infinite loop. That means the while command will come with true. That means there is no conditions in here, and the command in the while loop can run endlessly like this. Okay, let's run it. So infinite like its name, never stop like this, and we just we can stop it by press Ctrl C like this. And okay, let's start creating a live terminal clock with while commands. So let's write then true. It's because it's a live terminal command, so it's never stop except we press Ctrl C, and like this the seconds will increase one by one. Okay, it sets this condition to true, and then we have to do clear the previous input. Okay, and then we use this command to display the current time. Which time you want to display here will be %t for time, and then we should sleep by once just mean for 1 second, and then done. We see when we press okay, Control C. Okay, I think we should create a live clock, create a torch. Um, um, okay, clock, live clock dot search as this, and then we jump to your nano live clock dot search. Okay, let's write the command again. Y true, and okay, then do yeah, clear the previous input, and then for display the current time with percent percent percentage, okay, percent T for current time, and then what about sleep for 1 second, and then done. Okay, let's save by press Ctrl S, and okay, let's exit by press Ctrl X, and then yeah, we should make it make this yeah batch sales command executable. So let's write mouse plus X, and then yeah the file live clock dot sales. Okay, then there are no errors, so it doesn't show us anything. So let's run the live clock dot sales. So it is 11 right at the time as my computer, and we're living in Vietnam. So what about your current time now? Okay, sorry for the noise. Let's stop. What about if we try to change the current time to like clock dot shows? We can change the current time, not percent T. What about if we use percent R? We use percent R for the hour, so then access and yeah, and run it live clock. Okay, clock dot shows. So for the hour, we can see it's display AM now. Oh, let's try by my computer. So okay, let's change the time for display. Yeah, includes like Sunday and November. Yes, display. Yeah, years, month, and especially day. Like clock. So okay, let's change the format of time. We use percent Y for year, and it's minus okay, minus percent M for month, and minus percent well, about percent D for day, and then percent H for hour, and then percent M for minutes, and percent S for seconds. Okay. We have to make sure the format is right, and then press Ctrl S to save file and access, and let clock save. Okay, it's will represent I did a for years 2024, and for the month 11th, and for the day to represent for 10. Okay. I have. Okay. Okay. Let's list all the files in a directory tree. We can see in lab two. Let's jump to lab two. It's in list all the lab two. Okay. I have some parcels file in here, and I will run random complements and random sentences and typing effect for use. It's my trick for free time. Random. Okay, jump to the code. Random. Oh, forgot. What's wrong with me? Complement shells. So we can see here we have three parameter or three variable. So for the first parameter, you can see it's we name it. I name it is attractive for the yes attractive for complements like brilliant, fabulous, incredible, unstoppable, genius. And for the nouns, I use some word like code, logic, debugging skills, terminal powers, Linux skills, keyboard mastery, and for the ending, which we add some sentence like smells like sunshine, it out the squirrel, could defeat burst in seconds. Oh, that's incredible. So I will start a while loop, but infinite while loop, and then we equal three we yes mix three parameter includes attractive nouns and ending together, and then yeah mix them and choose the random from the choose the random from I mean choose the random item from the array, and then for sleep I will print each sentence and then sleep 0.1 for each sentence, and then okay, let's exit and just let's run the shows. I think this trick is funny because when you have some you have a busy days, or you feel boring or concerned about something, you could write random compliment to give your compliments, and yeah, you have some fun. So what about random sentences? The logic is same like random complement. So let's see sentences dot search. So like this, we have three parameter, and then mix three parameter and choose the each on the item random item in the array, and then equal. But in this while loop, I pass sleep at 2 seconds for each sentence. So let's exit and run the random sentences dot shows. Simplicity breeds knowledge. Creativity is born for success. Creativity transforms into success. Okay. And I have the last ones for us. This is typing effects. This is typing effects. So let's see how to code. Jump to typing effects dot search. You can see here we have the text. I have become one with the command line, and we start the for loop with the condition in here, and we pass on the iterate from 0, and yeah, it will bring the text one by one from yeah, print the letter one by one, and for each letter it will split by 0.1. Okay, let's exit and run the command and see how it works. Typing effect dot cells. I have become one with the command line, and I think yeah, you know, they use like when you watch a movie about hacking or something like that, and we can see they use something like typing effect, like hacks from 0%, 20%, 40%, and then 100%, like this, and they bring letter one by one, and so that's a trick for yeah, some movies like want to hacking. Okay, let's trim out by CD